be showing you a tutorial on how I created this little mohawk look. I just winged it because my hair looked like crap. And so I have to go to work, like I'm getting ready to leave out and go now. So I just needed something to do really quick. So I woke up early this morning and I came up with this. So without further ado, let's get started.
I'm starting out on freshly washed and blow-dried hair, and the first step is going to be to create this chain effect that's shown right here. And so in order to easily do that, I'm just parting my hair into a mohawk pattern, sectioning off the top and the sides, and then just putting the top in rubber bands or clips, whatever that I had available. Next, I'm going to start creating my boxes for my little chains. I'm referencing the left side because I did that first. I want my partings to be as equal on both sides as possible. So all in all, I ended up with 5 sections on each side. So as far as product goes, I used Camille Rose Aloe Whipped Butter Gel along with some Eco Styler gel. You guys can honestly use any type of cream product along with the gel that you want to use. This is just what I had. felt like I had too much hair still left in the mohawk area because I only had one pack of crochet hair and I didn't want to run out. So I ended up doing a flat twist on each side, so that's what you see me parting and sectioning off right now. And now I'm just braiding the top mohawk section into 2 French braids, so that's what I'm going to attach the crochet hair onto. So I used 1 pack of this quick Kalan and Cassie curl in a 20, and I just cut in half. And now I'm just going to attach the hair onto my head using the crochet hook. So all in all, this style took me probably about an hour and 15 minutes to complete. I woke up early in the morning and did it before work. I probably would have had it done in a shorter amount of time, but my cat wanted to play, my daughter wanted to talk, so I had a few distractions. But if you're an early riser and you don't mind getting up doing your hair, this is a perfect style for you. But just keep in mind, my arms were killing me as I was doing this, so I also had to take breaks because my arms were hurting. The last step is just to cut and style the way that you want, and that's it.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!